Mmhmm. Back again with another easy recipe today, and I'm using the Knorr Alfredo Sauce mix to make spaghetti muffins. I'm only calling them spaghetti muffins because I decided to bake them in a muffin tray to serve as individual pies. But you could easily use elbow macaroni or regular macaroni and bake this as a whole pie if you wanted. Starting off, I'm prepping my aromatics and using a combination of onion, garlic, pimento and sweet pepper for additional dimension of flavor in these pies. Bring some water to a rolling boil, season with salt and cook the pasta until tender. In the meantime, let's make our Alfredo sauce. I added my butter first and browning it just a bit to bring out some more flavor in the dish. Add 1 3/4 cups of milk to the pot and add the Knorr Alfredo sauce mix. While continuously stirring, bring the mixture to a boil and then lower the heat and let it simmer for 2 minutes until it thickens. You really want to pay attention to this part, so don't go and take your eyes off the pot or else you could end up making a mess all over your stovetop. Drain your pasta and set aside and bring the pot back to the stove and place on medium heat. Add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil and saute the aromatics. You want to season this mixture with salt, black pepper and dried thyme. Add the Knorr Alfredo mix. Add the pasta, some grated cheese, eggs, and combine well. Grease a muffin tray and fill it with the mixture and top it with cheese. We're baking these in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And then boom, done. I had some of the pasta left over, so instead of waiting to refill the muffin trays, I went ahead and made some mini pies in these cast iron skillets, which are perfect for this. I topped it with some breadcrumbs instead of cheese. The cooking process for this is different. Start it off on the stovetop for 8 minutes until the sides start to bubble, and then finish it off under the broiler for 5 minutes. The cooking methods yielded different results as the ones cooked in the skillet came out more moist than the muffins. Of course, you'd want to serve this up with some peas or some meat or even some callaloo, and the possibilities are endless, but this is a great place to start. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and a share, and if you do try it, remember to take a photo and share it with us on Facebook or Instagram. Full recipe can be found on our website at eatahfoodtt.com. Thanks to Knorr for making this video possible. Knorr's sides and sauces can be found at leading supermarkets nationwide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mmhmm.